system from the start here. Szoboszlai moving forward. Simicas. Now Nioni. 16-year-old finding Szoboszlai. Here comes Chiesa. Georgia, the Euros last summer. He was signed a year ago, but was loaned back to Hughes with the ball in. A good one too. It was touched away by Simicas, but planted by Darwin. Devilish play by him, but the cross was too strong for Salah.
It's that lovely low centre of...
Chiesa went down there, but again no foul given. And then nasty in the first 2/3 of the season, but they got off to now 16. Another ball in there by Small, but that one Bradley. Liverpool find their rhythm. Simicas. Szoboszlai's there. And it was just touched away by Hughes. And it proved to be a very important touch too.
What a ball in from Simicas. Absolutely delightful ball in, and you see the run from Szoboszlai. He goes short, then runs in behind.
His national games with Egypt at the end of the season. Looking for Szoboszlai. Simicas. Nioni was there. Then Engamoa makes the space and lets fly. And deflects away behind for a corner.
Well, when you start pre-season, the one thing...
Bradley. Still Chiesa. Tried to whip it, and not quite that bend and curve he was hoping for.
Bruce Gibson just loses the flight of the ball, and you wonder whether Chiesa...
Great feet, there's Szoboszlai, and then Bradley! And Liverpool have the lead. Turned in by Conor Bradley. It was the twinkle toes of Federico Chiesa which made that goal for Liverpool. And the right back, the long-term heir maybe, to Trent with the finishing touch.
A lovely play by Chiesa, those little dancing feet as he gets away, and the only thing that really surprised me was that he didn't take the strike on himself. I thought with that left foot he would have tried to drill it hard across the goal. There it is, that little drop of the shoulder. I thought he's going to just unleash a shot, but he makes the right decision by trying to pull it back across goal. A couple of Liverpool players have a go at trying to put it into the goal, but it falls to Conor Bradley at the back post, and a little bit of a ricochet into the goal.
Chiesa. Simicas. Szoboszlai was moving from midfield. A chance for Liverpool here. It's Engamoa, punch away. It's come to Szoboszlai, and he had to react again and repel that one. Back for Nioni. Long ball there by Gomez. And the ball chip. Too deep that time. Havenberg. Bradley goes again. Down he goes there too. His weaker foot. Salah with the header. In here by Simicas. This is coming in and punch well. McCann. That was deflected. Oh, no. A pretty big squad, even though there are a few big names. Sent in by Whiteman. That comes Marin. Good distance on that. Flicked on as well. Oh. Sent in by Darwin. It went all the season for Liverpool last year. Kirkes goes on. Szoboszlai there couldn't bring that ball down. He may have been offside anyway. There's Gakpo. He's now looking for Gakpo. Darwin's up there with him. Osmai still driving. Looking long there for Ben Doak. Twisting beyond Valentin. Valentin there stayed him, and here's a chance for Darwin Núñez, who goes past the goalkeeper and makes it 2-0 for Liverpool. And Darwin Núñez there evokes the Diogo Jota celebration. It's a lovely touch. And the memory of his fallen teammate and the forefront of his mind. It's an unideal situation. Sloppy goal to give away. An easy situation for them when they're trying to play from the back, and Jordan Story just undercooks it completely. Darwin Núñez is on it like a flash and just settles himself, allows himself to make the keeper
Daniel Everson make the decision. What's he going to do? Everson just gets a little bit too close to Darwin Núñez and sidesteps it and then puts it into the empty net. A lovely gesture from Darwin Núñez.
Frimpong with the shots, and then Jones. A fine hit from Curtis Jones. Not scored a goal. Kumas, Gakpo, who scored 18 times last season. 10 of those goals coming in the Premier League.
Yeah, it was an important season for Cody Gakpo, and it just felt that.
Everson. Gakpo in again, down he goes. And that will be a free kick which may well just about be within shooting range for Liverpool.
Valentin did well earlier on.
And Nunez, 2 yards too high. Using the top flank for Brighton. So that's 6 players and counting, you would think. Testing Kirko's there.
Cover from at such a young age, but what we do see is that.
Endo, Jones. Oh, it's a thumping header. And it's one in Lindsay. Well, there was no saving that. Powered home by Liam Lindsay. And it's Liverpool 2.
That's a brilliant ball in from
Pope. You see the idea, the execution that Gakpo was hoping for.
The radar's not quite there yet, is it? Just got to find that aim.
Gakpo. The cutback was just about played in by Robertson. It's a flag up far situation today.
I think a little bit of both. I think he.
Frimpong. Poked away and then hit by Kumas. And then Jones. And now flags up for offside. Well, a host of chances there in quick succession for Liverpool.
Yeah, a round of applause from the Preston fans for their defending, throwing the bodies on the line, making sure that they are keeping this at 2-0. Lovely play by.
And the Preston corner, and that's come off a little. Yeah. Robertson. He's done really well there, and Woodman got down. Manner pushing PSG so close, hoping to go further in the Champions League this coming season. Another very inviting ball late next season. Preston will come again here. Woodman.
Pinched his pocket.
Here's Nunez, he left it for Cody Gakpo. And it is a beautifully worked goal. And again, a message in memory of Diogo Jota. Gakpo has Liverpool's 3rd goal of the day here. The finish the number 20 would have been proud of.
Absolutely, well played Bendo, pinching the pocket here of the Preston defender, and then Darwin Núñez so often can be criticised for what's around him, the awareness, but that awareness there, the little over into Gakpo's path, and then the composure.